What triggers emotional attraction in a man? There are many things that can trigger emotional attraction in a man. For a man to emotionally connect with you, you need to make him feel safe doing so. For today's video, I'm going to show you 38 ways to build emotional attraction in a man. But firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. 1. Be prepared to get vulnerable. 2. Give him your undivided attention and support. 3. Share your experiences with him. 4. Be reliable and build trust. 5. Show him that you value him and yourself. 6. Make meaningful eye contact. 7. Create your foundation down deep. 8. Turn your shared interests into shared experiences. 9. Don't play it safe when it comes to talking about yourself. 10. Don't just send him messages. Call him and let him hear your voice. 11. Do something for him. 12. Building rituals of attraction and traditions. 13. Hang out around other couples. 14. Enjoy spending time with him. 15. Grow your relationship with yourself. 16. Form a foundation of trust with him. 17. Consider including him around your family and friends. 18. Remember things he shared with you. 19. Show him your appreciation and gratitude for his efforts. 20. Respect his opinions. 21. Don't try to change or tie him down. 22. Use physical touch to create intimacy. 23. Give him compliments. 24. Don't jump into bed with him too quickly. 25. Make sure your relationship isn't just physical. 26. Commit to this relationship. 27. Be thoughtful and show you care. 28. Listen to him. 29. Don't overshare too early. 30. Let the relationship develop at its natural pace. 31. Maintain your independence. 32. Be strategically vulnerable around him. 33. Accept that he might show his emotions in a different way. 34. Allow him to get to know the real you. 35. Consider whether you are really right for each other. 36. Make him feel safe enough to express himself freely. 37. Offer him space to develop the bond. 38. Don't let the fear of abandonment set in. The key to trigger emotional attraction in him is to make him feel an emotional connection.